If you're looking for an exclusive plot near Yamuna Expressway, stick around till the end because this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Today, I am bringing you a high growth zone in Lakshmi Nagar, Mathura, near the Gokul Road. Introducing Ganga Farms, a premium gated community just minutes away from Zevar Airport and Yamuna Expressway. Whether you're looking for a solid investment or a peaceful retreat, this is the perfect spot. Here you are getting three different options: 200 square yards, 300 square yards, and lastly, 500 square yards. We will talk about the pricing at the end, so stick around for that. Let's discuss what makes these plots stand out. Number one, it's a pure Bangar land, not riverbed land. Unlike riverbed land, pure Bangar land is solid, fertile, and safe for construction. Located at a higher elevation with no risk of flooding, it retains long term value and is ideal for investment. This is a gated community with 24/7 security and CCTV surveillance. Here you'll get underground electricity, so no messy overhead wires blocking the view. Besides that, you'll get immediate registry, causing you no legal delays. Your plot is yours right away. And it's not just about the land, it's about the lifestyle. Ganga Farms provides you with wide RCC roads, street lights, and lush green parks. A modern clubhouse with a gym, swimming pool, and indoor games, along with a beautifully designed temple and musical fountain for a peaceful atmosphere. Let's talk location, because we all know that's what really matters. It's just 10 minutes from Yamuna Expressway, 20 minutes from Sri Krishna Janmabhoomi, 15 minutes from Vrindavan, and 55 minutes from Zevar Airport and Taj Mahal. Now, coming to the prices, the first one is 200 square yards costing you 45 lakhs rupees. Then you have the 300 square yards option, which is about 65 lakhs rupees. And lastly, the 500 square yards option for just rupees 95 lakhs only. All the prices mentioned before include development charges. You can book your plot with just 10% upfront and pay the rest in easy installments. And here's the best part. If you book during Navratri, you get 50% off on the booking amount. Plots are limited, and with all the development happening around, they won't last long. Hit the Learn More button, fill out the form, and download the brochure with all the details.